Lakshmi Devi from Lifestyle Lakshmi. Today's recipe is crispy ragi dosa. I have given the link in description box for Kannada and Tamil versions. Dosa is very famous in South India. Everybody loves dosa. Whenever we see the picture of the dosa itself, it will be tempting us. We can make many varieties of dosa. It is easy to prepare, yummy in taste and healthy also. The ingredients what we have added in this recipe, it is full of nutritious value. Ragi is full of calcium and iron, poha is fibre, and dals are having protein. All of you please try it at home and send the feedback. If you like this video, please subscribe, like and press the bell button for the notifications. Be with me till end. Thank you. Let me see the process now. The ingredients are ragi 1 cup, chana dal, urud dal, brown poha, each 4 cups, fenugreek 1 spoon, rava 3 spoons, sugar 1 spoon. Mix all ingredients except rava and jaggery powder together. Now clean it twice or thrice with water. Soak it for 3 hours. Now blend it in a mixie and add salt according to your taste. Keep it for 8 hours fermentation. Now fermentation over, 8 hours over. Before preparing dosa, you have to add 3 spoons of rava and 1 spoon of jaggery powder. Mix it well. Then start preparing dosa. Now yummy, healthy, crispy ragi dosa is getting ready. Wow, how nicely it is coming. The taste also very good. All of you please try it at home and send the feedback in the comment box.